Okay, we're in the copy2.dwg file, exercise 5-2, and we're looking at copying one element multiple times. So once again, we want to invoke the copy command. So we can type CO for copy. We're going to select the object. We're going to select this polygon. All right. We are going to specify the base point. I'll just select the end point of the star here. And then we're going to decorate the tree. And notice that I am automatically able to create multiple copies. And when I've decorated the tree as much as I want, I just right-click Enter, and the tree is decorated.